Welcome to J&J's test video of 9634. This is a 2002 2500 Chevy with a D-Max in it, 242,000 miles, Allison automatic, runs, drives. It's just stuck in the middle here. So we'll start it up, let you listen to it. 242, 423. Got decent seats in it. Not a bad truck. John buys pretty decent ones. What you see in the front is what you get. Some accessory belt noise going on down there. I don't know what that's all about. Or the PF pump bag. Punch in the nose, dented door, some big exhaust. Not too bad. Actually pretty good for what I Let's see if I can fit in here now and I move the seats. Showing good oil pressure. Oil pressure's up. That's about it. Console's missing. Just another Chevy truck. As always, thank you for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.